Hello and welcome guys. In this tutorial I'll show you how to install clamav antivirus for Linux. Let me quickly show you on what operating system I'm currently working on. It's centOS 7. Okay. Now there is a special package called epel, which stands for extra packages for enterprise Linux. Clamav by default is not present in centOS repo, so we would need to get it from this repo. So this is the command to install epel-release. So as you can see, the installation is done. Now let's go ahead and install clamav antivirus. This is little big command to remember, I think, but nevertheless, as you can see, we are explicitly saying to use this particular repo and then install and also update. So the installation process has begun. It can take some time. Depending on the how fast your internet is available on the server, it can take some time, and also the hardware resources. This is the second step, guys. First thing is like to get the clamav from epel package, and second, we have run the command to install. And next, as the installation is in the process, I would let you know what will be the next step. That would be okay. That's good. That before I could let you know the installation has finished. So now the third step would be to update the configuration files wherever we find examples in the config. This command would delete them or replace them. So we have three different files. Three different files where we would need to replace this. Those are scan.conf, freshclam, and also give me a minute. Here we go. Also, this what is this? But I would update all these commands in the link in the description, where you can get the commands and do your installation process. So freshclam is the command to update the database. So as you might have already known that clamav updates its database almost like daily. So it would download the missing database files and update itself. So this is the advantage of clamav. It's like up to date every time. So now the installation process is done, the updation is done. We would go quickly and start the service. Now this service should be running. Now let me quickly scan and show you the result. So here, guys, one thing is I'm passing the remove hint, but be cautious about it. This can remove the files without this hint will remove the files without this would remove the infected files. That's what I wanted to tell. So the scan is in progress. Within a minute you would get to see the results. So this is the step 4, guys. So basically there are 4 steps to install clamav. You get the repo details, and then install update, and then update the configuration files, and then start the service. Yeah, as you can see, it has scanned 4 directories, 8 files, and found none infected files. This is how you install clamav on your server. Hope you guys enjoyed.